Okay, for the combo for today is I have been able to do two. Actually, I was upgrading my cards when I upgraded the two missing cards, which is the license Asia and derivatives. License Asia is under legal. This is the license Asia, yeah, and then the derivative is I think it is here. This is the derivative, this one here. Then for the last card should be under special. Yes. Um, let's check it. Suspicious. Okay, this is the last card, which is under PR&Teams. So we can take the 5 million prize for today. Okay, for the cipher mode for today, which is Ethereum, that's day 2. Then we'll tap on end per tap 3 times to enter the mode. Now that we are in the mode, the code for today is Ethereum. So we'll tap on it for E, T, we hold on it for 3 seconds. Then H, we tap on it 4 times. E, we tap on it. For R, we tap on it, we hold for 3 seconds and then we tap on it again. E, we tap on it. For U, we tap on it 2 times, then we hold. Then for M, we hold and we hold again for another 2 seconds, 3 seconds. That's Ethereum. So I hope you guys understood it, you understand it very well, and then you can always go back to rewatch it in case you don't understand any of the codes. And I'll also be putting a link where I'll put an image of how the code looks like, how you have to follow it. Thank you very much, and kindly don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like my video. Thank you.